Might also mention a little bit about my website because it's got a lot of stuff on it. That is derbay.org. In other words, www.derbay.org. And what I can recommend there very highly, I've got all the stories of Mama and the 50 original Chelm stories that I wrote about, which we didn't even get into today. And also I have some 50 lists of words. For example, verbs. I have 432 verbs. Yiddish, English, English, Yiddish. Everything there is in transliteration using the Evo standard. In addition to that, I have lists of translators all over the world. We have not mentioned the work I did with the blind community because I was president of that group. I had a website, published a newsletter. And the reason I mentioned that, what has that got to do with Yiddish? Because I'm very much interested in Yiddish for the disabled. And I was for a while the West Coast representative for JBI, Jewish Braille Institute, not anymore. And I have a lot of information there for people who are both visually impaired and audibly impaired and physically impaired. So for people who are interested in Yiddish who are disabled, there's a lot of wonderful information there.